We Excel lovers have something in common. We love data and we are not satisfied unless and until the data is there in Excel or any spreadsheet for that matter. Friends, in this video we are going to learn how to import data from website to Google spreadsheet. Now question might arise, why Google spreadsheet and why not in Excel? The answer to that question is, this video we are focusing on Google spreadsheet, and in the next video we'll cover Excel also. Now you might say that, why to import? Why not just copy paste? Yes, that is also possible. You can do it. But the problem with copy paste is that once you have pasted the data, the link is broken. That means if any changes happens with the data in the website, that change will not reflect in your spreadsheet. So you are detached from the source. So to overcome that, Google spreadsheet has a very beautiful function called import HTML, and it does exactly the same. It imports the data from HTML table, that is website table, and gives you the data in your spreadsheet form. So without spending too much of time, let us go and learn how to write this function. Okay, for that I have already made one website available, which is nothing but the most international runs in one day career, that is records one day international batting records most runs in career, and source website is ESPN Cricinfo. We love cricket, right? Cricket records. Here is the website, and all I have to do is select this link and copy it. Now I go to my spreadsheet and I write equal to import HTML, and as the syntax is suggesting URL. So what is URL? The one we just copied is URL. So it is the text. So it should be entered in double quotation mark. Paste the text, close the quotation mark, comma, query. So what is query here? Query is nothing but either it's a table or the list. See, you can see in the example here it's table. So we are looking for table, and table number. Which table number? Let us write 1, because even I don't know what table number is that. Close the bracket and enter. Boom. See, whatever data is there in the website has been brought into the spreadsheet in this form. Now you can create pivot table, you can analyze your data with the help of formula, you can create bars, charts, graphs, you can do whatever you want. So now you can format or whatever you want to do with your data. Normally what you do in spreadsheet or Excel, you can do with this data. And the good thing is that as and when these numbers change in website, it will reflect automatically. You don't have to go and refresh. That no action is required from your end now. So let me auto fit. Yes, see, and let us make the header bold. Control+B, and let us go to format, go to alternate colors, and let us choose this style, or you can choose any style. I'm just choosing this one, and I'm clicking on done. One more thing you can do is go to view, freeze, and freeze one row. That means header should be frozen, because no matter how down you go, how down you scroll, the header should be always visible. That is the thumb rule of spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want me to make a video in some other topic, please do let me know through comments. Thanks for watching.